You can spend thousands on a cruise, pack the perfect suitcase, and still look completely out of place within the first hour on board. I've seen it happen on embarkation day, at formal night, even at the pool. And the worst part? Most people don't realize they've made a mistake until it's too late, when they're sweating through dinner, denied entry to a venue, slipping on deck, or standing out for all the wrong reasons. Today, we're breaking down the travel outfits you should never wear on a cruise ship, and one of them might be sitting in your suitcase right now. Let's get into it. Cruises are different from land vacations. You're dealing with changing weather, strict dress codes, safety rules, sea conditions, and a floating resort with multiple environments, pool deck, fine dining, shore excursions, theater nights, informal events, all in one day. The wrong outfit doesn't just look bad, it can make you uncomfortable, limit where you can go, or even get you turned away. So here are the biggest cruise outfit mistakes, and what to wear instead. 1. Wearing high heels on deck. Let's start with a classic mistake. High heels on a moving ship. I know, they look elegant, perfect for sunset photos, great for formal night, but here's the reality. Cruise ships move, even when you don't feel it. Deck floors can be slippery from sea mist, spilled drinks, or humidity. And wind? It's stronger than you think. I've seen stilettos caught in deck grooves. I've seen someone nearly twist an ankle walking to dinner. And if the sea gets slightly rough, balancing becomes a challenge. Why this matters? Safety risk, unnecessary discomfort, lower walking pace when crowds are moving, not practical for ship layouts with stairs everywhere. What to wear instead? Low block heels, dressy flats, wedges with stable bases, elegant sandals with grip. You can still look polished, just make sure your shoes are cruise-proof. Quick reality check. If you can't walk comfortably on a gently rocking boat for 10 minutes, don't pack them. 2. Heavy denim in warm climates. This one surprises people. Thick jeans. If you're cruising the Caribbean, Mediterranean in summer, or Southeast Asia, heavy denim becomes a trap. Ships can feel cool indoors due to air conditioning, but outside, it's hot, humid, and reflective from the water. Denim traps heat, takes forever to dry, feels heavy after sweat or sea spray, becomes stiff and uncomfortable, and on shore excursions, you'll regret it immediately. Why this matters? Cruise days are long. You move between sun, wind, humidity, and air conditioning constantly. You need breathable fabrics. Better options? Lightweight cotton, linen blends, breathable travel pants, moisture-wicking materials, stretch trousers. Pro tip: if you're wearing jeans to board the ship because they're bulky in your luggage, choose lightweight travel denim instead of thick winter styles. Comfort equals confidence. 3. Bathing suits in indoor areas. This one gets people side-eye quickly. Walking into buffet areas, elevators, or lounges wearing only a swimsuit and a towel. Most cruise lines require proper cover-ups in indoor public spaces. It's not just etiquette, it's policy. You might get reminded by staff, and yes, it's awkward. Why this matters? Cruise ships are shared spaces, families, seniors, formal areas, indoor restaurants. You want to transition from pool deck to lunch smoothly. What to wear? Lightweight cover-up, casual sundress, oversized shirt, linen shorts, quick dry wrap. Simple solution. Keep one easy throw-on piece in your pool bag. 5 seconds of effort, 0 embarrassment. 4. Overly formal wear during the day. Cruise ships are relaxed during daytime. If you show up to breakfast in a cocktail dress or full suit, you'll feel overdressed instantly. Cruise culture has evolved. Even on formal nights, many cruise lines have shifted toward elegant casual rather than strict black tie. Why this matters? Comfort and social awareness. You don't want to feel out of sync with the vibe. What to wear instead during the day? Resort casual, sundresses, polo shirts, tailored shorts, smart casual outfits. Save the glam for the right evening. Pattern interrupt. And speaking of formal nights, let's talk about what not to wear then. 5. Flip-flops at formal night.
This is where people miscalculate. They think it's still vacation. Yes, but cruise dining rooms often have dress codes in the evening. Flip-flops are commonly prohibited in main dining rooms and specialty restaurants on formal or elegant nights. You could be turned away. Why this matters? You don't want to miss dinner reservations over footwear. Better alternatives? Dress sandals, loafers, closed-toe flats, low-profile leather sneakers if allowed. Before packing, check your cruise line's dress code policy. Each cruise line differs slightly. For example, lines like Carnival and Royal Caribbean are more relaxed than ultra-luxury lines like Cunard, but even relaxed lines have minimum standards. It's about respecting the environment. 6. Brand new shoes. Cruise ships are big. Walking miles per day is normal. Now imagine breaking in brand new shoes on day 1. Blisters, friction, pain, and you still have 6 more days. Why this matters? Mobility equals enjoyment. If your feet hurt, everything feels worse. Solution? Break shoes in before sailing. Pack blister patches. Choose shoes with proven comfort. Cruise decks are not the place for shoe experiments. 7. Long flowing dresses on windy decks. Wind at sea is stronger than you expect. Maxi dresses look amazing in photos, but uncontrolled wind can turn elegance into chaos. Wardrobe malfunctions happen. Constantly holding your dress down isn't relaxing. Why this matters? Wind plus open decks plus stairs equals distraction and discomfort. Better options? Slightly weighted fabrics, midi-length dresses, fitted styles, strategic layering. If you do bring a maxi, consider wearing it for indoor venues or port dinners. Quick question. Have you ever packed something for a cruise and instantly regretted it? Drop it in the comments. I read them all, and you might save someone else from making the same mistake. And if this is helping you pack smarter, hit that like button so more cruisers can avoid these traps. Now let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes first-time cruisers make. 8. Camouflage or offensive graphics in certain ports. This is serious. Some Caribbean countries have restrictions on camouflage clothing for civilians. It's reserved for military use. Wearing camo shorts or pants in certain ports can cause issues with local authorities. Also, offensive slogans or inappropriate graphics can reflect poorly on you in international settings. Why this matters? You're a guest in another country. Research your ports before packing. Safer approach: neutral prints, classic resort wear, nothing politically or culturally insensitive. It's a simple precaution that avoids unnecessary trouble.
9. Overpacking statement pieces. That dramatic hat, that sequined jacket, that massive layered outfit. It looks great in theory, but cruise cabins have limited storage, and most people rotate the same 4 to 6 comfortable outfits. Why this matters? Cabin clutter increases stress. Heavy luggage complicates travel days. You'll likely wear simpler items repeatedly. Cruise packing rule: versatility beats novelty. Choose mix and match pieces. Stick to a coordinated color palette. Think function first, photos second. 10. No layers at all. Here's the surprising one most people ignore. Even in tropical climates, cruise ships can feel cold indoors due to aggressive air conditioning. Theater? Cold. Dining room? Cold. Casino? Cold. Many cruisers freeze every night because they packed only summer wear. Why this matters? Temperature transitions happen constantly. Always pack lightweight cardigan, casual blazer, wrap, thin sweater, light jacket for windy evenings. Layering isn't optional, it's essential. 11. Wearing only tight clothing. Cruises involve food. Lots of food. Buffets, specialty dining, late-night snacks. Tight, restrictive clothing becomes uncomfortable quickly. Why this matters? You want flexibility and comfort. Choose stretch fabrics, adjustable waistbands, relaxed fits for daytime, structured but breathable evening wear. Comfort enhances the experience. 12. Ignoring excursion-specific outfits. One of the biggest mistakes? Packing for the ship, not for the ports. Jungle tours require grip. Beach days require quick dry. City tours require walking comfort. Religious sites require modest attire.
Why this matters? Excursions vary dramatically. Research each port, pack according to activity, bring proper footwear. Your cruise is only as good as your preparedness. 15. Wearing expensive jewelry casually. Cruises feel safe, and generally are, but ports, excursions, and busy public areas increase exposure. Flashy jewelry attracts attention. Why this matters? Risk management. Instead, travel jewelry, minimal valuables. Keep it elegant but subtle. You're there to relax, not worry. 16. Skipping athletic wear. Ships have gyms, walking tracks, sports courts, yoga classes. Many people forget to pack workout clothes. Why this matters? Cruise routines include movement. Even if you don't plan to work out, you'll likely want comfortable casual wear for mornings. Pack at least one athletic set. Final point, the biggest mistake. Here it is. Packing outfits for Instagram instead of for reality. Social media shows curated cruise moments, but real cruises involve wind, walking, temperature shifts, movement, excursions, comfort trade-offs. If your outfit only works in still photos, it's not cruise ready. The best cruise wardrobes are flexible, layered, practical, comfortable, polished but effortless. That's the balance. Cruise style isn't about overpacking, it's about smart packing. Avoid these outfit mistakes and you'll feel confident, stay comfortable, access every venue, move easily around the ship, enjoy your vacation fully. And that's the goal.